Yo, what's going on, guys? We are in Kentucky for Southern Roots this weekend. I'm at Ryan's house. Hey! And he's about to wash up the E30 because it's disgusting, because winter, right?
This thing hasn't been driven since stupid cold. Not a mile.
There you go. What is this?
I literally don't know. I washed it. I pulled it like literally 10 feet down, washed it, and left it out. And come out the next morning and it's covered in mud. So either some like little country critter crawled all over it, or one of my dogs got a little too excited because the paint was clean and decided to ruin it for me. So something like that.
Whatever jumps in your car, fuck that shit up.
Let's say it'll buff out. Did you do it? Did you do it? Huh? Did you do it? It's pretty guilty.
Oh, that's a guilty looking face right there.
This weekend is Southern Roots Bowling Green here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It is at the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park. On the 16th, which is today, the Friday, we'll be doing the pre-meet.
Sorry, ignore the fucking sounds of country.
It's Kentucky. You're just gonna have to get used to it. Cows in the daytime, frogs at night. What else? What would you be doing that was better than coming to the show?
Come to the next one.
Yeah, definitely come to the next one. That one will be in Louisville, and it will be sometime, usually June or July, something like that.
I'll have the date for the next year, like event details in the description, I'm sure.
It's just a bunch of friendly, happy-go-lucky, in it for a good time people. So
come out, have a good time, see some cars, let's get it. So obviously I'm going to be filming at the show tomorrow, so I'm not sure how much stuff I'm going to be able to like film as a vlog, and I don't have a second camera now, so I can't hand it to someone else and have them film something. Grant isn't here, but I'm going to try and get as much stuff as possible, and I will include some clips from the actual like proper video too, but yeah, let's go. Oh! Where are we at? We're in Bowling Green.
We're at the Supermarket
For Southern Roots.
Oh, my pussy!
I dig.
Nothing hard as fuck, boy.
This is the new daily. I needed an aux cord, so I've stopped and bought an aux cord. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. Don't need, but need.
Hey.
Oh no, Daniel, baby. Why?
I don't look crusty. So.
In Tennessee. Same. Fucking type off! Where are you? What's going on?
It's going down. Spring, Southern Roots, 2018. Our 5th year. It's insane. Fifth. I haven't filmed a single thing for this video all day. So we're just starting this. That's messed up, Liam. Why are we paying you?
Oh no, we're talking about the vlog.
Oh, the vlog. Okay.
I've been filming like fire shit all day.
Fire shit, like
Not
he's
this
lying,
shit.
Don't listen to it. Sam's calling you out right now.
Shit's trash, man.
Oh, he said you ain't got no nipples though.
Boy, I'm just saying.
Oh yeah, by the way, that Alpha,
Flag.
I don't really need to say anything.
Is that weed? It's Irish weed.
Is that Irish?
It's an Irish weed. It's got rounded edges because it's climatized to the cold weather in Ireland.
Who says that?
Me.
Whoa, whoa, you have to pay him for that.
I just feel like I'm in everyone's fire.
You are on the way. I'm trying to film this
Sorry.
post. All right.
Trying to film this electrical box.
I know.
All right, guys. Sorry for the.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, hey. So, before we get started, I just want to thank everybody for coming out. I know our parking situation got a little cramped. We got a little overflowed, a little quicker than we thought we would, which is awesome. Thank you guys so much. We are going to start off with our raffle. We're going to draw for our raffle, give those things away, and then we'll move on to the awards. It's for the ever lovely and ever so cute Sam Eigel here.
And even
It's not my body, it's a photo shoot with me.
In his body.
Unless,
In his body.
Unless you like slip him a 20 and then who knows what happens. To get you a photo shoot with Sam for your car.
You only need one.
I'm trying to grab one.
That's what she said.
$50 gift card to Adam's Polishes.
It's fake.
what?
It's fake.
What did you just?
I'll sell it for 40.
Wow.
This whole thing looks rigged now. Wait, something's not right here. Hold on.
It's gonna be down super low.
There we go.
Oh my god.
That's how we like it.
My head hurts. It's probably because I drank a lot last night, but I'm not really sure. Dog, ain't nobody got raffle tickets. Like, we're raffling, but ain't nobody getting the raffles, you know?
Dude, they're getting a free jack.
And nobody's there, like.
1, 2, 3, go.
What's happening?
Everybody
Touch paper. Raps rock. You gotta go again. 1, 2, 3, go. You're out. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. You win.
Got the jack.
Same as push-up contest. He would have won.
There we go.
It was rigged.
Win.
Hey, we have to.
Oh, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but alright.
I swear they work on this like you wouldn't believe. They deserve recognition. Clap your hands. Thank them.
They've been with us since before we called it Southern Roots. If anybody's ever been to the very, very first meet that we had, it's called the Triple Crew meet because we were lame and we didn't know what to call it, so we called it that.
They were lame, yeah.
But big shout out to James. So round of applause for James and Dirty 13.
All right, best in show award goes to
Drum roll.
Cameron Centers, the 370Z.
Hey! We'll go ahead and take that picture right now.
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations. Awesome. This show literally would not be anything without any of you guys. Like, we would be just 5 jerks in a fucking parking lot by ourselves just hanging out.
Thank you all for coming out. keep a lookout on the Southern Roots page for our summer show event posting, and we'll see you guys then. Thanks.
Oh my God! Hello. Hi.
We're gonna film a Scene Points podcast.
So Cody started a podcast, and we're about to go film one, and I look ridiculous, so it'll be entertaining.
It's a podcast about the car scene and just the people behind it, the people in it,
Lifestyle,
the lifestyle, the culture. So yeah, that's some good stuff we talk about.
It's just like a conversation.
Basically, yeah. So we started off and just ask who the guest is. So like I'll ask Liam who he is, and then we'll talk about him and his background and how he got into it, and then from there I can just branch off into whatever. So
run us through the basic setup for
so
anybody who's interested in audio stuff.
This is kind of my like intro setup. I've got my MacBook. It's like probably 5 years old now. I'm running the newest version of GarageBand. I don't know what version it is. Some cheap Amazon mics. I need to upgrade those. Behringer UMC 202 HD audio interface and Behringer XLR cables,
And then
just a regular old Sony Handycam. And the audio seems to be okay. The video's nice, the audio's nice.
Well, we just wrapped on a podcast, and that was so much fun. I could talk for like 5 hours. I honestly feel like I'm losing my voice now, but that was super. That was super fun, and yeah, definitely go check out Cody's podcast. It's Scene Points Podcast. All the links will be in the description, as well as the Instagrams. Anything to say?
No, go watch the podcast. This might, I don't know if these will be out at the same time.
For once in my life, everybody waited for me.
Sam, he's been looking for you.
Me?
Yeah,
What for?
he's got your keys.
Some competition.
Who's this?
My iPhone photography.
Look how big this man is in this little car. A little clown car.
Mario Kart.
A couple of us are going to be eating outside because Chase and Bree can't bring
Are
the
we
dog
outside?
in. That's what I figured.
Why are we yelling? How'd today go?
Splendid.
Splendid.
I don't know what she's doing.
He didn't propose today. Empty. Why are you doing this? You're making me uncomfortable. All right, we'll see you later.
Dinner? That's so messed up.
Because you're Asian?
Can I be in your Southern Roots after movie?
No.
Okay.
It worked out perfect. What happened? What I missed?
I don't know.
Live your life and love it.
What are we about to do?
About to get fucked up, Bobby.
End the vlog.
End the vlog?
Hopefully we're not going slow.
Bye, vlog.